So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to blur part of a picture here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is find a picture that you want to blur a part of. For this example, I'm just going to go to the Elements tab. How about I find a photo of a dog, maybe multiple dogs, for example. That could be nice. Let's just see if I can find one. I want to use one that has a background so it's a little bit easier to show. You know what? I'm just going to use this picture right here of this dog right here. This pug looks like, very happy guy enjoying his walk outside. I'm just going to make it a little bit larger so you can't see any white part in the background, making this the size of the thing. And there you go. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to blur the dog's face. I don't know why you would. He's adorable, or they're adorable. But if you want to blur the face, not a super big deal. Just go to the edit image right here. I want you to press on edit image. I want you to scroll all the way down to where it says blur right here under tools. I want you to press on blur. Once you press on blur, all right, you're going to be greeted to a screen right here to where it says blur, restore, auto. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and press blur. Now, if you want to make your brush size a little bit smaller, you can make it a little bit smaller, and I will blur. If you want to make the intensity more, you can. Make it less, you can. Spread, same thing, more or less. Let's just use this right here. And how about I try my best to blur the dog's face, but this works with any part of the image. It doesn't really matter. So not perfect, but that's where I'm going to blur right now. If that looks good to me, it blurs just like that. If I like that, I can press done. And now I have successfully blurred out this dog's face. Unfortunately, this dog's adorable, but that is how you can blur any image you want here on Canva, blur part of a picture here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.